Welcome to infyGyan friends. Today in this video we are going to solve one very interesting question from radical equations for the real values of x. So let's get started. We know that for x to be real our radicands must be non-negative. So we can write x minus 15 over 5 should be greater than or equal to 0. Similarly x minus 20 over 10 should be greater than or equal to 0. And x plus 15 over 3 should be greater than or equal to 0. Now we can write here three inequalities. X minus 15 should be greater than or equal to 0. X minus 20 should be greater than or equal to 0. And x plus 15 should be greater than or equal to 0. So from first inequality we will get x should be greater than or equal to 15. From second inequality, we will get x should be greater than or equal to 20. And from RHS inequality, we are going to write x should be greater than or equal to negative 15. Now, the inequalities from LHS, we will get x should be greater than or equal to 20, intersection of both. And from inequality of RHS, which is x should be greater than or equal to minus 15, we'll take intersection of both and get the final condition on x, x should be greater than or equal to 20. So for x to be real number, our x should be greater than or equal to 20. Now we are going to split numerators with respect to denominators. We will write x over 5 minus 15 over 5 plus square root x over 10 minus 20 over 10 equal to square root x over 3 plus 15 over 3. So 15 over 5 is 3, 20 over 10 is 2, 15 over 3 is 5. So we can write square root x over 5 minus 3 plus square root x over 10 minus 2 equal to square root x over 3 plus 5. Now we have 5, 10 and 3 in the denominators. We'll find LCM of all the three numbers. So let us write LCM of 3, 5 and 10, which will be equal to 30. So let us assume x equal to 30 times u. This is our substitution. We will get square root of x is 30u. So 30u over 5 minus 3 plus square root of 30u over 10 minus 2 equal to square root of 30u over 3 plus 5. Now 30 over 5 is 6, so we will get square root 6u minus 3 plus 30 over 10 is 3, we will write square root 3u minus 2. 30 over 3 is 10, we will write square root 10u plus 5. Now we have denominator free equation, means denominator is 1. Now we can square easily. We will be putting power to both sides. Now we can cancel square root and square from RHS. And we have to use a plus b whole square identity in left hand side. So square of square root 6u minus 3. 6u minus 3. Square of square root 3u minus 2. 3u minus 2. Plus 2 times square root of 6u minus 3 times 3u minus 2 equal to 10u plus 5. Now 6u plus 3u is 9u. Minus 3 minus 2 is minus 5. Plus 2 times the square root of 6u plus 3 times 3u minus 2 equal to 10u plus 5. Now we will subtract 9u minus 5 from both the sides. So we are going to get a square root with multiplier 2, 6u minus 3 times 3u minus 2 equal to 10u plus 5 minus of 9u minus 5. So RHS will become 10u minus 9u, u, 5 plus 5, 10. So in LHS we'll write 2 times the square root of 6u minus 3 times 3u minus 2. Now we have 1 square root in LHS. So we'll be squaring for the last time here. We'll put part 2 in RHS also. Now we have to use a plus b whole square formula in right hand side. And in LHS 2 square will be 4. Square root square will be square root free. We will write 6u minus 3 times 3u minus 2 equal to u square minus 20u plus 100. Now we have to expand our LHS. We will get 4 times 6u times 3u, 18u square. 6u times minus 2 minus 12u minus 9u minus 21u. Minus 3 times minus 2 plus 6 equal to u square plus 20u plus 100. 4 times 18u square will be 72u square. 4 times minus 21u will be minus 84u. 4 times 6 is 24. Let's write RHS into LHS. We'll get minus u square minus 20u minus 100 equal to 0. 72u square minus 1u square, 71u square, minus 84u minus 20u minus 100, 4u, 24 minus 100 minus 76 equal to 0. Now this is one quadratic equation which we will solve using method of factorization. Let's solve. If we will multiply these two numbers and write here 71 times 76. Now 71 is prime number. We can factor 76 as 2 times 38. Now 71 times 2 will be equal to 142 and second number is 38. And if we will check its difference, it's matching with our middle term minus 104. So let us split our middle term. We will write 71u square minus 104u can be written as minus 142u plus 38u. Addition will be minus 104u. Then we have minus 76 equal to 0. Now from first two terms we can take 71u common out. So in the bracket there will be u minus 2. From next two terms we will take 38 out and we'll write u minus 2 in the bracket equal to 0. U minus 2 is overall common. We will get 71u plus 38 in other bracket equal to 0. Using product 0 rule, we will be writing either u minus 2 equal to 0 or 71u plus 38 equal to 0. So from first equation, we can write u equal to 2. And from second equation, we will get 71u equal to minus 38. After dividing both sides 71, we will get u equal to minus 38 over 71. So we have two values of u, minus 38 over 71 and 2. So we will write here 2 and minus 38 over 71. Now u was our substitution, x equal to 30u. Let me write here. So I can write here u will be equal to x over 30. So let us write u equal to x over 30. Now we have to multiply by 30 both sides. We will get x. X will be equal to 2 times 30 and minus 38 over 71 times 30. So 2 times 30 is 60. Minus 38 times 30. So we will write minus sign. 1140 over 71. And we have condition on x. X should be greater than or equal to 20. So on this ground, we can reject this negative value of x. So our single real solution will be x equal to 60. Now we are going to verify our solution. So let me write here verification. We will begin with left hand side. Equation is written here. So let us put x equal to 60 directly to LHS. We will get square root 60 minus 15 over 5 plus square root 60 minus 20 over 10 will be equal to square root 60 minus 15 is 45 over 5 plus square root 60 minus 20 will be 40 over 10. 45 over 5 is 9, so square root 9 plus 40 over 10 will be 4, so square root 4. So we will get LHS equal to square root 9 is 3, square root 4 is 2, LHS will be 3 plus 2, 5. Now we will find RHS by plugging x equal to 60 and RHS is square root x plus 15 over 3. So we will write 60 plus 15 over 3. 60 plus 15 is 75. Denominator is 3. 75 over 3 is 25. So square root 25. And this is equal to 5. LHS equal to RHS. Hence our solution x equal to 60 is true and verified. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye-bye.